South Carolina is the school station. The Department of Social Services is trying to find hundreds of missing children that they say stop showing up to that e-learning in the spring. The agency is currently working with school districts and law enforcement to find those students across the state. An upstate school district tells us how SROs and police are helping find these students. Fox Carolina's Brookley Cromer live tonight. So Brookley, how many students are we talking about that are missing from the upstate right now?
Well, Cody, according to DSS, 780 students are still unaccounted for. That's across the entire state. Now, of those students, 180 are from right here in the upstate. DSS says several thousand students fell off the grid when schools shut their doors earlier this year.
Our South Carolina families cannot be invisible to us.
In July, the Department of Social Services began conducting welfare checks after the Department of Education named more than 3,200 students who stopped attending school when the pandemic began.
Each principal entered in how many students they had not accounted for. That number was sent to the State Department, and then the State Department sent that list to DSS.
According to DSS, school personnel and law enforcement have located many of the students, but 780 are still missing despite multiple attempts to make contact. Out of those students, 113 are from Anderson County, 14 from Greenville County, and 29 from Spartanburg County. Dr. Laura Beth Smith with Anderson District 3 says the district started conducting welfare checks in the spring.
Anytime we did not receive work back from a student, we contacted them and tried to find out, why aren't we receiving any work from you? What's going on? Our resource officers, if we didn't have a student that didn't attend a virtual session or had not turned in any work, we would send them out.
DSS says most students stopped taking part in e-learning due to a lack of resources. The agency says vulnerable students cannot go unnoticed and more needs to be done to help those students out.
We knew that some of these students that we could not find had other issues that we were aware of, whether it be mental health issues, or we knew that they received some type of maybe a special ed service, and we were trying to locate them so that we would ensure that they would receive all the services that were supposed to be guaranteed from our district.
Now, DSS says counties will still work to locate those 371 students that are still unaccounted for, and they plan to release another report the first week of September. Reporting live, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina News Tonight.